Hey, it's Linda here from How to Eat for CKD. So, are you struggling with your kidney diet? Yeah, I get it. Trying to manage your diet when you have to monitor things like sodium and potassium, phosphorus, carbs, protein, fluids. We think we know foods, but when we're suddenly faced with the challenges of a CKD diet, we realize that we don't know squat. What? No, we don't know nothing. we really don't. No. So I want to share with you a process that I discovered and let you know how we help you with your kidney diet, how we're going to make things easier for you. Okay. So here's how we do this. The first thing you need is your restriction numbers. And these numbers are going to be based on a lot of different factors like your labs, your medications you're on, your activity level, and other health issues that you have, and even the way that your body processes nutrients. Some people can process potassium really well, others can't. I mean, everybody is completely unique. And so that's why the kidney diet needs to be tailored to you. Okay. So we're going to start you out with extensive food lists. And these are going far beyond just, those common ingredients that you're finding in all these little lists that are floating around out there, right? These are non-conflicting lists, baby. I'm telling you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Then we're going to walk you through and find your top food choices. Now, what we do with this is if you have other health issues that have their own, dietary screams happening, I have to have this, but I can't have that. We get it. All these health issues all require something. Now, maybe you have a spouse who has their own health issues with their own dietary demands. Maybe you just have a picky eater. Oh my God, maybe you want to include the dog, whatever you want to do. Okay, we're going to show you how to smush all that together and determine your top food choices, the ones you're going to work with most often. All right, not all the time. No, we love variety. So these are just your top options. Okay. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to run a quick calculation and we're going to find out what your base guideline meal and snack numbers are. So we're going to break it down and figure out what your maximum nutrition should be per meal while still leaving room for snacks and desserts, because we're all going to do it, right? Yeah. So we're going to do that, and then we're also going to show you how to do another quick calculation with those numbers on those days that maybe it's your birthday and you want an 8-ounce ribeye and you want to have your cake, or maybe it's just brunch with friends, or oh my God, I have to have my enchiladas. Whatever it might be, we're going to show you how to do that quick calculation so that you can indulge reasonably and still be pretty close to your restriction numbers. You're going to have your cheat days. You were all going to have cheat days. It happens always. Don't tell me it's not. Don't even try and tell me it's not. We're going to show you how to do it. Okay. And then we're going to show you how to take nearly any recipe and make little tweaks, little changes to them so that it fits those numbers that we originally calculated for you. Okay, now don't worry, if your labs change or anything, another health issue comes up, whatever might happen, don't worry. We're going to run you through the calculation again. We're going to run you through your top food choices again. And we just do a little reset and start working forward again. Not a problem. Okay. We're going to show you how to tweak those recipes. And what you're going to do is you're going to accumulate this beautiful stack of recipes that are tailored to you, well, and your family and, the dog, if you included the dog too. It'll fit one meal you have to cook that's going to work for everybody. Okay. So you're going to have these beautiful recipes that are perfect. You essentially have your own meal plan set. Personalized meal plan, because all you're going to do is go to this folder. You're going to pull out what you want to make for the week, and there it is. That's it. Every week. That's all you got to do. Really. So once you have those for the week, we're going to run you through a very quick tally to make sure we always double check. We make sure everything's lined up and it fits. If it doesn't, we're going to show you a couple, quick cheats to flip things and make it fit, right? We're going to make sure everything's good. So what happens is during the week, the only thing you're going to need to worry about is those snacks. And you've left room for them. So all you got to do is make sure that the snacks you're having are fitting within the allotment that you have for them. That's it. Pretty sweet, huh? Yeah. Okay. So you're going to pick those recipes. They're all good. You've got room for snacks. Now you're going to note what you need and you're going to go shop and you're going to go get those ingredients. And now, because I am a giver and I'm a chef, I am going to help you with the whole low sodium thing, because low sodium, everybody goes, ugh, bland, ugh, right? Right. Well, we're not going to stick to any kind of diet that's just, no. So what I'm going to do is I am going to share all of my information on spices and herbs and seasonings. And so you know exactly what to use and my tips on how to use them. So you are building amazing flavors in these dishes and you're not missing the salt. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Sounds easy. This all sounds easy, right? It sounds doable, doesn't it? Well, it is. It is totally doable. As long as you have the information, as long as you have the process to walk you through it, to do it. And as I said, I would love to help you. I would love to be by your side and help you create this no stress, easy, personalized kidney diet. It's time for real CKD eating, people. I'm here to make that happen. I can get you there. All you got to do is head on over to howtoeatforckd.com. Yep. Go on, head over there. Now's good.